Welcome to Financial Blueprint Diaries. If you've ever felt lost looking at your bank account, stressed about a budget, or just unsure about what to do with your money, you are in the right place. This channel is your personal project manager for your financial life. We're not just talking about numbers on a screen, we're talking about the diary of your journey, the wins, the setbacks, and the step-by-step plans to build the future you want. Think of me as your guide. Together, we'll break down personal finance, practical budgeting, and all those confusing money issues into clear, actionable blueprints. So hit subscribe button and let's start building. Ever feel like you're running on a treadmill? You work hard, the paycheck hits your account, and then it's gone. Rent, car payment, groceries, subscriptions. You might get a raise, but your lifestyle expands to match it. You're trading your most precious resource, your time, directly for money. And if you stop trading time, the money stops. That, my friends, is the earned income trap. But what if I told you there's a different path? A path followed by every self-made millionaire and billionaire in history. It's not about working harder for a paycheck. It's about working smarter to build a system that pays you while you sleep. Today, we're talking about how to build wealth with assets, not paychecks. First, we need a fundamental mindset shift. We've been taught, go to school, get a good job, save money. That's not wrong. It's a foundation. But it's incomplete. The wealthy don't just save money. They allocate it strategically into things that create more money. Let's define the hero of our story, an asset. An asset isn't just something you own. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket. And its villain? A liability. A liability is anything that takes money out of your pocket. Your car? Usually a liability, payments, gas, insurance. Your primary home? For most, it's a lifestyle liability, mortgage, taxes, maintenance, until you sell it. That flashy new gadget? Liability. The goal isn't to avoid liabilities entirely. We all need them to live, but to consciously increase the assets column and manage the liabilities column. So what are these magical assets? You don't need millions to start. Let's build your asset arsenal, starting with the most accessible. 1. Financial assets. The stock market, index funds, and ETFs, this is your entry ticket. Instead of picking single stocks, that's speculating, you buy a tiny piece of hundreds of companies through a low-cost index fund like the S&P 500. You own a slice of the entire economy. Set up automatic investments. Time in the market beats timing the market. 2. Intellectual assets. Your knowledge and skills. This is the most undervalued asset you have. Investing in a course, a certification, or just dedicated study to build a high-income skill, like coding, copywriting, digital marketing, can dramatically increase your paycheck, which you then use to buy more income-producing assets. It's a flywheel. 3. Digital assets. An online business or channel. Yes, like this YouTube channel. It starts as a liability, time, effort, no money. But once it has an audience, it becomes an asset through ads, sponsorships, or selling your own products. A blog, a social media brand, an online course. These are digital real estate that can earn every day. 4. Real assets. Real estate, the classic. But you don't always need a huge down payment. Look into REITs, real estate investment trusts. They're like index funds for property. Or consider house hacking, buying a small multi-unit, living in one part, and renting the others to cover your mortgage. Your tenants pay for your asset. 5. Personal assets. Your network. Your network is your net worth. Building genuine relationships with smart, driven, and generous people opens doors to opportunities, partnerships, and insights you can't find on your own. Nurture it. Overwhelmed? Don't be. Here is your simple 3-step action plan to start today. Step 1. Audit and defend. Look at your last 3 bank statements. How much money flowed to liabilities versus assets? Now, defend your paycheck. Before it gets spent, automatically divert a percentage, even 5-10%, into a separate account. This is your asset acquisition fund. Pay yourself first. Step 2. Choose your first battleground. Pick one asset class from the arsenal to focus on for the next 6 months. For 95% of you, I recommend financial assets. Open a brokerage account like Fidelity, Vanguard, or a user-friendly app, and set up a monthly buy of a broad market index fund. Make it automatic and forget it. Step 3. Reinvest and accelerate. When your assets pay you dividends, rental income, side hustle profit, don't spend it on lifestyle inflation. Reinvest it. Use those dividends to buy more shares. Use rental cash flow to save for the next property. This is the snowball effect that turns a stream into a river. Building wealth with assets is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a marathon of consistent, smart decisions. It's about shifting your identity from a consumer to an investor and a builder. Your job is no longer your source of wealth. It becomes the fuel for your wealth-building engine. You won't be chained to the paycheck forever. You'll build a portfolio of assets that work for you, giving you the ultimate wealth, options, freedom, and time. Your first asset is knowledge. If this video added value to you, the best thing you can do is hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell. It helps this channel, my digital asset, grow so I can keep making this content for you. Which asset class will you focus on first? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Remember, don't work for money. Make your money work for you. See you in the next one.